Tired of paying bank fees? Do you love cash back and a free annual fee credit card? Then you might be considering Rogers Bank. But how does it stack up against a traditional big bank like RBC or TD? Let's break down the pros and cons of Rogers Bank versus traditional banks. The case for Rogers Bank. Rogers Bank is a digital-first bank, meaning it operates without physical branches. This is the source of many of its biggest advantages. Because they have lower overhead costs, they can pass those savings on to customers. This often translates to no annual fee credit cards and competitive rewards programs. Their main selling point is the benefits for Rogers customers. For example, some of their credit cards offer enhanced cash back on all eligible purchases and a redemption bonus when you use that cash back for Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchases. They also offer exclusive perks like free roam like home days for Rogers mobile plan holders and financing for new phones at 0% interest. Another big advantage is the convenience. Since everything is managed through their app, you can do all your banking from your phone, anytime, anywhere. The case for traditional banks. While Rogers Bank offers great perks, it's not a full-service bank. This is where traditional banks truly shine. Think of the big players like RBC, TD, BMO, CIBC, and Scotiabank. These banks offer a vast array of services under one roof. They have checking and savings accounts, mortgages, loans, investments, and in-person financial advisors. The main pro of a traditional bank is the physical presence. When you need to talk to someone about a complex financial issue, deposit a large sum of cash, or just prefer face-to-face interaction, a branch is invaluable. They also have extensive ATM networks, making it easy to access cash. For most people, a traditional bank is the hub for all their financial needs. The verdict. So which is better for you? The answer depends on your needs. If you're looking for a simple, digital banking experience with great rewards, especially if you're already a Rogers customer, Rogers Bank could be a fantastic choice. The no annual fee cards and telecommunications-related perks are hard to beat. However, if you need a comprehensive financial institution that can handle everything from your daily transactions to your mortgage, and you value the ability to walk into a branch for help, then a traditional bank is likely a better fit. Remember, it doesn't have to be a one or the other situation. Many people use a mix of both to get the best of both worlds. The key is to find the financial solution that aligns with your lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.